Hello my dear student, hope you are fine and taking care of yourself at your home and doing practice of all the derivations and numericals. Today we will do the next topic, that is commercial unit of energy. So before starting the topic, please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for further notification. You know that in the last class we have done about power. What we have done? Power is rate of doing work upon, means work done upon time is known as power. And what was the unit? 1 watt is equal to 1 joule upon 1 second. Means 1 watt is 1 joule upon 1 second. If you want to write 10 watt, so what will you write? 10 joule upon 1 second. Similarly, if you want to write 1000 watt, so what will you write it? 1000 joule upon 1 second. Means in this way we are having the use relation of the watt with joule and second. So we have used standard relation. Now what is commercial unit of energy? Because power, another formula is rate of consumption of electrical energy also. So that comes commercial unit of energy. Commercial unit of energy means the energy which the electricity board sell to us. Means our all appliances works on the basis of electrical energy. So that energy comes to our home. So that is known as commercial unit of energy, because at that time joule is very small unit. So kilowatt hour is the commercial unit of energy. What is commercial unit of energy? Kilowatt hour. From here you can see that power is rate of transfer of energy. So what is energy from this formula? Cross multiply. So energy is power into time. What is energy? We are talking about this electrical commercial energy we are talking. Energy, another formula is power into time also. So that power unit is watt. SI unit is watt. But when we are talking about commercial unit, we will take power in kilowatt and time in hour, not in second and not in watt. So we have to take, because we are talking about commercial unit. That is a bigger unit of energy. So from here you can see that energy is power into time. So this commercial energy is kilowatt, power is in kilowatt and time is in hour. So it becomes, what this becomes? Commercial unit of energy. Kilowatt hour is also known as unit. You have seen at your home, your parents used to say that this month 100 units consumed, this month 20 units, 200 units consumed. So that means they are talking about that the appliances have consumed this much unit. What is the meaning of this 1 kilowatt hour? 1 kilowatt hour is the energy consumed by a device of power 1 kilowatt when it is operated for 1 hour. What is 1 kilowatt hour? 1 kilowatt hour is the energy consumed by a device of power 1 kilowatt when it is operated for 1 hour. So this is the definition of this kilowatt hour. Now can we relate this kilowatt hour with the joule? Yes. Now let's do the derivation. How can you relate this kilowatt hour with the joule? So relation between kilowatt hour and joule. What does it mean? Relation between commercial unit of energy and SI unit of energy. 1 kilowatt hour, we can break it into 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. What is 1 kilowatt? That is 1000 watt. 1 kilowatt is 1000 watt. And what is hour? We are converting into watt. So this hour also we will convert into second. 60 minutes into 60 seconds. So when you will multiply, you will get 3600 into 1000. Watt into second. Clear? Now 36 into 302, 10 raised to the power watt into second. And now from this relation, when will you multiply watt into second, it comes is equal to joule. So next line we can put 36 into 10 is power 5 joule, because 1 watt into 1 second is equal to 1 joule. From where? From this derivation. 1 watt is 1 joule upon 1 second. You have done cross multiply, so that comes is equal to 1 joule. So we have got this. But the standard relation is 3.6 into 10 is power 6 joule. If someone says to you, give a relation. So this relation we have to learn. The commercial is equal to SI unit. It is commercial unit of energy and it is SI unit of energy. How it comes? We have converted divide by 10 and multiply by 10. So in this way, from here this relation comes. So this 10 get added with this 5 and decimal comes because it is a standard relation. If you will leave in the paper till here, that is also correct. But standard relation is 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. If you are writing 5 here, then here is 36. If you are writing here 3.6, then here 6 will come. So you have to do practice for this derivation. Next class we will do the numericals related to this commercial unit and power. For today you have to understand this topic. Thank you and have a nice day.